Hello, my love. Is there something you would like? Oh, is it something in my pocket, Hazel? Is it something in my pocket? Is there something you would like in my pocket? Come on, Hazel. Come, sweetie. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. There you go.